Welcome to the Think Small podcast, hypergrowth for small businesses. So, what's slowing you down?
So, hi again, everybody. This is Rob Godlewski with the Think Small podcast. And today, our special guest is Maggie Fouquet with IB Circle. IB Circle is an international business networking group based in Denver, Colorado. Maggie, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having me on the podcast.
Absolutely. So Maggie, tell me a little bit about what IB Circle is and what kind of solutions or problems you solve for your clients and customers.
Well, the International Business Circle is a high-level networking group and think tank for international executives here in Colorado and beyond. We have about 200 members, and really we solve several problems for them. First of all, we are a vetted group of 200 members, over 200 members, with each having a large personal network. And so we really are a trusted source of information resources on international business.
Excellent.
The other problem that we really solve is the problem for international expats who are coming here to have a high-level business network that they can tap into straight away and hit the ground running when they're here in Colorado and the USA. And then the third main thing that we offer is a real sense of perspective of what's happening globally with people who are kind of very active internationally and know what's going on the ground all over the place.
Excellent. So you really serve as a safe place for expats coming in and living in the U.S. and specifically Colorado as they're launching into a different stage in their career, right? But you really help out with continued development, an international business think tank, and provide deeper value as their membership continues. That's excellent.
Yeah, and also vice versa for American companies that are looking to go international or looking to go into new markets. We're their kind of resource as well because we've done it and we've made all the mistakes and we know what to do.
Excellent. So when did you found the business?
I didn't found it. It was founded by a Swiss friend of mine in 2004. She'd moved to Colorado from Palo Alto, and she was really craving an international conversation. There was a lot happening in the world at the time. The Iraq War was just starting, and she really craved an international business perspective from lots of international people, because in our group we have about 30 different nationalities. So it's a real kind of international brainstorm in any kind of meeting that we have, really. So the organization grew quickly from there, and we're going to be 22 in April.
22 years. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And so when did you join, Maggie?
I joined when the organization was about a year old.
Oh, okay.
I'd actually moved from London to Colorado. I was working with a global PR agency, a top 10 PR agency in Colorado. And I got hooked, loved it, loved the people, loved the international conversations and the real global mindset. And I took over the company from Captain Windsor, who founded it in 2010. So I've been running it for 17 years in April.
Great. So what type of offerings or services or programs do you offer your membership?